Hi, my name is Steve Mann, and we're here to talk about cold exposure, and this is Alex.
Hello there, I'm a student of Professor Steve Mann.
And we're talking about cold exposure and the effect of cold exposure on the brain, so we can use brain sensing technology like the Mind Mesh or the Interaxon Muse to measure EEG and FNIRS and talk about how cold water affects our mental state. And we're not swimming, we're boating today. I've got my 6-foot yacht here, and he has a yacht as well. I'm the captain of this vessel, and he's the captain of that vessel, and we're going to have a boat race called a boat race is called a regatta. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ja, I think I'm beating that. Ja, die gaan we. So now we can talk intelligently about the effects of cold water exposure on the brain. So we have brain sensing, and we've got cold water exposure. And I've never tried cocaine, but a lot of research shows that exposure to cold water has the same effects on the brain as cocaine, which is this huge surge in a great feeling. And so cold water is the way to go. Now, we can do cold water exposure without ever swimming because we're boating, not swimming, and yet we're able to achieve cold water exposure without actually swimming.